Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
This cloth belonged to a noble hero who inspired me. Athena's knight. I take pride in this title. Out of my way!
Okay. Launch attack! First blood. An ally has been slain. Thank you.
Witness my power! Take this!
You have slain an double kill. An ally has been slain. Good game.
Mere mortals do stand a chance against the gods! Need to protect her. Protect the world.
An ally has been slain.
Show me your power! I remember those eyes with the color of a bottomless lake.
Enemy has been slain. Well played. An ally has been slain. The enemy has slain the turtle.
Take this!
An enemy has been slain.
Witness my power!
Ally has been slain.
Out of my way!
Ult is ready.
Show me your power!
Initiate retreat. Enemy killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Request backup.
so badly!
Strange! Enemies here have no constellation power!
Destroyed a turret! Team destroyed a turret! An enemy has been slain!
Out of my way!
An enemy has been slain!
No one gets to lay hands on the goddess!
An enemy has been slain! An ally has been slain!
Let's go get them, knights!
Wait up!
Ally has been slain! Ally has been slain! Enemy has been slain! Ally has been slain! Godlike!
Let's get the Lord!
Anyone can make life shine. Anyone. Take this!
An ally has slain the turtle! An ally has been slain!
Mere mortals do stand a chance against the gods!
Legendary! Double kill!
I remember those eyes with the color of a bottomless lake. This cloth belonged to me.
Legendary! Destroyed a turret! Enemy killing spree!
Show me your power!
Battle spell in cooldown.
Athena's knight. I take pride in this title. Let's go get them, knights! Meteor punch!
Enemy has been slain! Battle spell in cooldown.
We need to protect her. Protect the world.
You destroyed a turret! Launch attack!
Strange! Enemies here have no constellation power!
Enemy has been slain!
strange. Enemies here have no constellation power. We need to protect her. Protect the world.
Battle spell in cooldown.
No one can lay hands on the goddess.